Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Julieta Discallar Española, 41 years old and single. And I work in Oman for 8 years, finished contract. And I prepared to take care an elderly person, adult, because I have a NC2 I am NC2 passer as a caregiver. And my personality is hardworking and patiently person and loving person. And also I am willing to cook and cleaning and keeping tidy the patient. And also I'm willing to work with others coworker. Doesn't matter for me. And that's all. Thank you and have a good day.